The biggest threat to global food security is not drought, war, or population growth. It is dead soil. 1/3 of the world's arable land is degraded, with yields dropping by up to 50%. Farmers rely on synthetic fertilizers, which gives them a short-term boost but destroys the soil microbiome. Each season they need more, creating a $1 trillion dependency cycle with no exit until now. My name is Bhakti Patel, and this is AgriPods. AgriPods are small, biodegradable capsules placed directly into the root zone. Inside is a living microbial consortium, crop-specific formulations tailored for corn, wheat, soy, and more. When soil conditions reach the correct moisture, temperature, and pH level, the pod's shell dissolves and releases those microbiomes to the root zone. They fix nitrogen, unlock trapped phosphorus, suppress pathogens, and rebuild soil biology. Pilot trials are expected to show 15 to 25% yield improvement and 20 to 30% reduction in fertilizer use per hectare. AgriPods can be paired with an optional app and optional soil sensors, showing which pods have been activated, which zones need attention, and where to place pods next season. Every technology behind AgriPods already exists. There's no scientific leap required, only integration. Plant growth promoting rhizobacteria are validated in peer-reviewed research. Biodegradable PLA capsules manufactured at scale for pharmaceuticals can be applied to agricultural. IoT soil sensors are already used across modern farms, and AgriPod integrates all of this into one standardized, affordable system. This is blue ocean strategy. Fertilizers compete on volume. Biological farms sell expensive, inconsistent liquids. Both chase short-term yields. AgriPods redefines competition with crop-specific, controlled-release biology that cuts costs, simplifies use, and restores soil for sustainable productivity. Through the ERRC framework, AgriPods eliminate synthetic fertilizer dependency and the cost of agronomist consultants. It reduces per hectare restoration cost and complexity of adoption, raises social microbiome diversity, crop resilience, and yield. It creates the first crop-specific control-release biological pods. Our differentiation comes from crop-specific formulations and controlled root zone delivery. Low cost comes from reduced application volume, no spraying equipment, no consultants, and a scalable capsule manufacturing that already exists. AgriPods is protected by a proprietary microbial formulation, capsule IP, and the data network generated through app adoption, creating a defense that competitors cannot easily replicate. Our non-customers are farms that others overlook. Small and medium-sized farmers who cannot afford enterprise biological programs, conventional farms frustrated by inconsistent alternatives, and 570 million of smallholder farms worldwide. At just 20 to 50 cents per pod, AgriPods is priced for real scale. The global soil treatment market is at $28.56 billion, growing at 6%. Regenerative agriculture is expected to grow 90% by 2050. And government and deployment institutions like World Bank and Gates Foundations are actively funding soil restorations at scale. We start with U.S. small farms, scale nationally through distributors and pod sales, then expand globally via NGOs and government, building a full ecosystem with app subscriptions. Because AgriPods are lightweight, standardized, and non-toxic, they could be shipped globally and adopted without complex infrastructure or regulatory hurdles. Farmers need no consultant, equipment, or expertise. Place a pod, add water, and the biology activates. Simple, effective. AgriPods does not add more to a broken cycle. It restores what was there before the cycle began. This venture succeeds because it addresses the needs of all stakeholders directly. Farmers reduce input costs and improve yields. Government restores degraded land, and development institutions achieve measurable impact. Over time, AgriPods becomes a platform for soil intelligence, guiding planting decisions, predicting yields, and informing land restoration strategies globally. AgriPods work extra for your soil, your food, and your future, so you don't have to.